guys, so we're gonna start off right away with a neutral tone to set the primer or concealer on the eyelid. And now, using a fluffy brush, we're gonna use this purple color from Makeup Forever on the crease. Sorry, I don't have the name of the color or the number. We're just gonna blend it on the crease on both lids. Blend, blend, blend. Now from the Naked Heat palette, we're going to use a neutral brown tone right above that to transition the colors nicely together. We're going to blend that out on both lids. And now from Lancome, we're going to use this like lavender shimmery color. It's called Drama Shimmer, using a flat brush that's kind of fluffy and some MAC Fix Plus. We're going to spray that on the brush. We're gonna put some color on the brush, and then we're gonna pat it and smooth it on the eyelid. It's like a lilac purplish color. This one has kind of blue undertone shimmers to it. Any purple you like or lavender color you like from any brand will work too. We're gonna put some on the waterline, under the waterline. I'm using this other purple shade to put on top so it's more oomph, but you don't have to do this part. I'm using this purple shade from Anastasia brand. I do not know the name of the color. It's on the back of the thing and I can't remember it. But yeah, I'm just putting it on the lid, all the way across the lid on top, just to add more oomph and more emphasize on the actual tone. Any color you want works. If you want to stick with one color, that's fine too. I'm just adding a little more to create more of a dramatic effect. We're going to put some on the waterline as well, and with the fluffy brush we're going to blend all of it out, all of it together, so you can't see where it stops nor where it ends. With the Amarise palette from Anastasia, we're going to use those two colors I pointed out there, and you can use your finger or a brush, and you're going to put it on the center of the eyelid and on the inner corners of the eye, and this just gives more of a shimmer and more of an iridescent effect. And we're just going to blend it out. Now using a highlighter, mine's from Cover FX, I'm putting on the very inner corners just to brighten it up a bit more. And we're going to blend it out. Make sure it's all blended and even, and put as much as you want. I'm going to do my eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, waterline liner with the neutral color, and my mascara. My lipstick is from Bite Beauty in Opal, and put on some false lashes, and there's the entire look. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try it out. Thank you for watching.